In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a department in Zoho Desk. Whether you're running a small business or managing a larger organization, setting up departments can streamline your ticketing process and improve overall customer service. Let's go through the process step by step. First, navigate to setup by clicking on the gear icon, which is your gateway to all configuration options. From there, head over to the organization section and you'll find department history. This is where all your department management happens. On the department list page, look to the upper right corner and click on New Department. This opens the form to create a department tailored to your business needs. On the Add Department page, start by giving your department a name. This is the internal name visible in Zoho Desk. Next, set the display name in Help Center. This is what your customers will see when they visit your help center, so choose something friendly and recognizable. You can also upload a logo for your department using the Browse option. This acts as a visual identifier for clients. If you want the department to remain private, simply uncheck the display in Help Center option, making it accessible only to selected users. Next, assign the right people. In the Associate Agent section, add agents who will manage tickets for this department. Choose individuals capable of handling queries efficiently. Finally, fill in the description field to give a brief overview of the department's purpose. This helps agents understand their role and the type of inquiries they'll handle. Once everything is filled out, review all details for accuracy and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully created a department in Zoho Desk. Setting up departments this way helps organize your team, improves workflow, and enhances your customer support operations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes it easier for you to structure your Zoho Desk environment effectively.